Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to redeem Souls codes in 2025. If you're a fan of this popular game, you know these codes can unlock awesome rewards like exclusive items, boosts, or even rare characters. Whether you're new to the game or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the game installed on your device. Souls has been updated for 2025 with some new features, so updates are key to avoiding any glitches. Once you're all set, open the app and log into your account. If you're on a PC, fire up the game launcher. For mobile users, just tap that icon on your home screen. Now, head over to the redemption section. You can usually find this in the settings menu or under a Codes or Redeem tab. Look for an icon that looks like a gift box or a key. Once you're there, you'll see a text box where you can enter your code. Type in the Souls code carefully, making sure to match the uppercase and lowercase letters exactly, as these can be case sensitive. After entering the code, hit the Redeem or Submit button. The game should process it quickly, and if it's valid, you'll get a confirmation message with your rewards added to your inventory. If you run into an error, double-check that the code hasn't expired. 2025 brings new codes, so grab the freshest ones from official sources like the game's website or social media. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Always redeem codes on a stable internet connection, and if you're playing on multiple devices, make sure you're logged into the same account. That's it, you've just claimed your rewards. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gaming tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite Souls code. Stay tuned for more 2025 updates, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep gaming.